What's up, Soul Squad? It's Monday evening, but this is my Sunday dinner. And it's quick, it's simple. I'm not even calling this a quarantine meal. You know when you were growing up, parents put all this stuff together and they call it goulash? Well, this is Mama Jackie's goulash. I don't know what the name is or what it's going to be, but she told me about it. And I was like, huh? She's like, oh, I make it all the time for your brother at home. I was like, so what is it? She said, it's ain't nothing but boiled chicken and some macaroni and cheese. I said, what? So last week, y'all know she's staying with me through her whole chemo thing, which you know. So last week, she made this for the family. I'm not gonna lie. It was okay. I was like, for real? And everybody ate it. Everybody wanted seconds. So when she made it, she used potty wings and she boiled the chicken. She had the macaroni. Now, I know I don't be doing name brand stuff. I say get what you get. But when it comes to boxed macaroni, you want good macaroni, I stick to what I know. I get this deluxe. And I got the big family pack. And so she used deluxe macaroni and cheese. But she didn't use chicken broth and all that stuff. You know what? Every time something get in my kitchen, I do it my way. Remember, your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. Even the way Mama Jackie made it, it was still great. But I decided to go with some big old drumsticks. Let the chicken boil until it fall off the bones. When it cooled down, you peel away the skin, chop up the chicken. You make, man, I'm gonna do all that for you. I'm gonna show you the process. So what we want to do first is that I'm gonna season my chicken. I have some seasoning salt here. I'm just going to season my chicken down. Remember, it's your kitchen. You can use thighs with this. You can use chicken breasts. You can use chicken tenders. Anything that you could use just to, you know, you can use a whole chicken. Put that thing in there, boil it, and pull it apart. But I decided to go with chicken breasts. I'm seasoning with pepper and all that good stuff. I want my food to have flavor. And like I said, Mama Jackie, when she did hers, I think she seasoned it. I know she seasoned. I was in the kitchen because I was like, Mom, whatever, do what you do. And I should have known it was going to taste okay. My mom is the queen of goulash, queen of putting things together. So if you want to switch up something, but it's the same old thing. It's chicken, it's macaroni, but make it different. Do what we doing. And she added corn. So I'm putting a can of corn to this, probably two, that sweet kernel corn. So there's something good about that sweet and savory type situation. Chicken going in. Let me dap my hands real quick. That chicken going in is seasoned and everything, the juices and everything. Now, what my mom did not do, she used just water. Me, I'm all about flavors, trying to make things different, you know, give you some good feeling. I said some good, we're making you good feelings, you know, good food to the heart, to the stomach. And I think your family gonna love it. I'm going in with a thing of chicken stock. You can use broth. I'm using what I have on hand. Don't want to really buy anything. So, and this is something that you may have in your house. Hey guys, you know, Mama Jackie didn't use this, but I'm using chicken stock. You can use chicken broth, low sodium, unsalted. Just, I want to give it flavor. Of course, this one thing is not enough. Now I'm going in with some water. I use that whole chicken broth and probably a cup and a half, 2 cups of water. I just put it in my little thing. I'm going to turn the stove on like number 4. I'm going to put the top on it. I'm going to let that chicken boil. That's it. That's all. It's quick and easy. When I come back, my chicken is going to be cooled off. I'm going to let it cook till it fall off the bone as much as possible. It doesn't take long for chicken legs to cook. It's a great protein. I think your family will love it. And if you want to make it a little bit heat, you know, it's your kitchen. Amp it up. Taste it. Use spices. Make it a little heat. Add a little bit of cayenne. We don't do all that. And you can add an onion. That's too, that if you like onions while you boiling this chicken, cut up an onion in here. That would be so amazing with that. I started to do it, I didn't. Now that I'm thinking about it, I might add an onion, may not, but chop an onion up in there with that. I'm gonna clean this up. We're gonna let this chicken boil. I might come back halfway through, let you guys see what the chicken doing. It's bubbling, it's boiling, it's cooking. And then we'll come back, peel it, let it cool. Look, I spit across the room. We'll let it cool down. We'll peel the skin off. We're going to prepare the macaroni and the corn. We're just going to mix it all up together. It is a quick, easy, delicious meal for your family. And macaroni and cheese, who doesn't like that? Who you at? Okay, guys, I'm just going to give you guys a sneak peek. A sneak peek. Man, when I tell you, this house smells amazing from boiled chicken. You cannot get this wrong, okay? We went outside on the porch, and I'm like, oh my God, you can smell the aroma of this all outside. And then what I didn't tell you guys, look at the chicken. Look at it. Look at it. It is boiling. That's all I see. Look at it. It is boiling. So, woo, it's almost there. It's almost there. It's been boiling about for an hour. Look at that. I'm going to give it another like 30 minutes because I want it to be really tender. It doesn't take long for chickens to boil, but and I'm going to tell you guys what we're going to do. We're draining this broth. Because remember, this is chicken broth. We're going to drain, after we pull the chicken out, we're going to drain the broth, clean the pan, put it back on the stove, let it come to a boil, and we're going to use that for our macaroni noodles. When I say flavors all around this goulash dish, it's flavors all up and down this dish. We'll be back. Okay, guys, my chicken is cooling. I started peeling half of it off the bone, but my water got to boiling. So let me show you what I did with this water. I took a strainer and I poured all of the juices, but remember, put the strainer in a bowl and then pour the juices into the strainer, and all that juice will come into that bowl. Then wash your pan and use that juice that you had left from boiling your chicken for your macaroni. And if you don't have enough water, oh, let me take that out. Look, that about to pop down in there. If you don't have enough water, once you boil your chicken and stuff, just add a cup or so of water to your broth. The flavors are still there because, again, this is all about just being so flavorful and everything. Look at that broth cooking, that macaroni noodle. It's going to be so amazing. So the chicken is cooled down and I stopped peeling. I just wanted to do a couple of them with you guys just to show you. It's so flavorful, and basically just taking the skin, pulling it up, holding it, and just pulling this down. Just pulling this down. That's all I'm doing. Then we'll go back and then take the skin, I pull it up, I hold it, and I just take the fork and pull this down. Pull this chicken down. Look at that. Nice and boiled and seasoned. This is dark meat. You can use boneless skin with thighs. No, I already did a lot of them. I'm just pulling it down. And I already drained 2 cans of corn, guys. 2 cans of corn. Make sure that's all. Oh no, found another one. It's still a little bit of warm, but not that warm. And you're just gonna pull those bones off. Look at that. This dark meat, you use white meat. I prefer dark meat, guys. Woo. Chicken is hot. And you're just gonna take your fork and just pull apart all the meat. Get all the bones out of there. This is part when you can use your hands, use 2 forks. Your house, your way. Do what you do. But I prefer dark meat. If you don't like dark meat, I think it's easy to cook with. But it's protein and your family's gonna love it. So, let me wash my hands. I get something to stir up my noodles, and we're gonna fry the corn that's gonna go in here. Got the butter and the olive oil, and got the corn sitting to the side. Already drained the juices out. Got all my components. I got 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of butter. Drain my 2 cans of corn. Let it get hot, because that's going in my goulash. And then I was thinking about this dish. You know, with the goulash, because with the sweetness, when you fry the corn, it pulls out how much, it makes it sweet, okay? But I'm just gonna do like, there you go, a teaspoon of sugar. Guys, man, put that over there for me. Look at that. I'm gonna let that corn fry. I gotta turn it up high. It's not gonna take long to get that butter. Now, to the macaroni. You have your little sauce thing that come with it. So I didn't open it up with any scissors, knife, or anything. So that's crazy on my part. Never ready in this kitchen. I have to open up my you got me a knife? Oh, thank you. Now, anybody got these little packages, have you some scissors on hand to open these things up. And this is the last part, guys. We're just putting this all together. You can hear that corn frying over there. That's going to top this meal. This is amazing. Now, for everybody, because my mom eating this, I like tomatoes. And to get this color, if you have like some like diced tomatoes that you could drain the juice off of and add it to that fried corn, oh my goodness. Lord, that would be so good. So, guys, I need napkins. I need napkins big time. Take some tomatoes. Add it to this fried corn. Drain the juice off the tomatoes. This is for the color. Oh my God. And fried corn and tomatoes, it tastes amazing. And I'm just going to stir this up. And again, I need to wash my hands or grab a napkin or do something while I'm stirring up this macaroni. This macaroni, you see how the color is not as bright and white because of the elbow noodles, because it's cooked in that broth. That means those noodles have lots and lots and lots of flavor. Maybe watch the sand if I can hold this pot and we can get it stirring. Okay, guys, I'm mixing my macaroni noodles up here. I should have had a wooden spoon scraped in my last of one many good pans that I have. Woo! Making some popcorns over here. Look at this. Yes. When you fry that corn, it's going to be so sweet. The kernels are turning brown. And you're just going to throw this in. It doesn't take long to fry corn. Yeah, I got it up on a high heat so it can do its thing. Just popping all over the place. But guess what? You can clean up after you get finished cooking. So, to this, adding my chicken, guys. Look at that. Again, it's goulash. Chicken goulash. Whatever you find in your refrigerator that you think will go good with this, do it. Make it happen. But everything don't go good with everything. I was surprised when my mother did this in my house, I must admit. So, I got my stove on a medium heat. And I want to add some extra cheese to this. Just a little bit of cheddar. So I got some American sliced cheese. You know cheddar makes everything taste better. As much cheese as you want. It's about 1.5 cups of cheddar. We're going to let that sit for a few minutes. We're going to let that corn finish frying. And when we come back, we're going to mix it all up together. Guys, look at that corn. It smells so good, and the sweetness of that corn, and this, the cheese is melted. Oh my God. And you just add that corn on top of it. That corn smells amazing. And all you're going to do is stir it up and serve. Your family can't not like this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Now what I should suggest, you really don't have to put a little sour cream, a little bit of milk just to loosen it up some. But if you want it all stuck and gooey, the way I want it all stuck and gooey, guys, you cannot go wrong with this. And this is my mother's. Again, this is what Mama's call it, chicken goulash. She don't know what she call it. She did it. We ate it. We like it. So I'm giving it to you guys. Everybody may not make it. It may not be for everyone. But it's for everyone in my house. On a Sunday, eat this or go buy your own food. That's what you tell them, right? All right, guys. We're going to plate it. It's gooey. It's cheesy. Yes, and tell me they not gonna get full on that. Oh, look at the cheese. Look at the cheese. Oh my God. And it smells amazing. The house smells good. I could top with some parsley flakes. My son said no. Y'all know what I like to do, right? But guys, thank you for coming back to my kitchen. Like, share, subscribe. Hit your bell to be notified. Video 6 o'clock Monday. This is my, again, made up name. Chicken goulash. Do what you want. I'm telling you, I'm sweating. It's hot. It's 8 degrees in DC. I need AC. Until next video, guys, I am out. I love you guys. And welcome to all my new subscribers. You are now officially Soul Squad.